Hello everyone, welcome to AIDB Hub channel. Why Oracle Auto Upgrade tool? Why it's the only recommended method 2026 for Oracle 19C2 Oracle AI database 26 AI matters? Yes, the Auto Upgrade utility is designed to automate the upgrade process both before starting upgrades, during upgrade deployments, and during post upgrade checks and configuration migration. When you perform upgrades, Oracle recommends that you download the most recent version of the Oracle Auto Upgrade utility, Auto Upgrade jar file, to prepare and to deploy your upgrade. You can use Auto Upgrade after you have downloaded binaries for the new Oracle database release and set up new release Oracle homes. When you use Auto Upgrade, you can upgrade multiple Oracle database deployments at the same time using a single configuration file customized as needed for each database deployment. You can now download the latest Auto Upgrade utility release directly from the Oracle database upgrades and migration page without having to log into my Oracle support. Download the Oracle Upgrade utility from oracle.com. The Auto Upgrade jar file exists by default in the Oracle home, Oracle underscore home by RDBMS by admin home. However, before you use Auto Upgrade, Oracle strongly recommends that you download the latest Auto Upgrade version. Auto Upgrade is included with each release update RU. Most recent Auto Upgrade version is always available from the Oracle database upgrades and migration page. Right? Did you know Oracle Upgrade tool can be downloaded patch directly from MOS? Yes, the Oracle Auto Upgrade tool can directly download patches from my Oracle support MOS and apply them to new Oracle home, facilitating one button patching and upgrade. It automates the entire process, including downloading release, update RU, updating binaries, and switching to the new home. A customer commercial account with active support contract CSI is required to download patches and software directly from my Oracle support using the Auto Upgrade utility. While you can download the Auto Upgrade tool itself without logging in, accessing the patch repository records credential that have downloaded privileges. Right? Key requirements for automatic download. For the Auto Upgrade tool utility, automatic download, the key requirements are commercial MOS credential. You must have a user account linked to a customer support identifier CSI that allows downloading patches and key store setup. The credential must be loaded into that Auto Upgrade key store using the load underscore password option. And recently, the My Oracle support site migrated to Oracle Cloud environment, cloud site. So that key store wallet, it's mandatory. Configuration, the config file must have download equal to yes and global dot keystore defined in that configuration file, config file. Important distinctions. Patches RUMRP one of require a commercial account. Auto Upgrade connects to MOS to download this when configured. Database software image as a mid 2025. Auto Upgrade does not have the capability to download the base database software image. Example, 19C zip file. You must download the base image through Oracle Technology Network or Software Delivery Cloud. Through once a home is created, Auto Upgrade can patch it. Auto Upgrade tool itself now can be downloaded without a commercial account. If you do not have a commercial account, you will not be able to download patches via upgrade jar-mode download command. So this is the important distinctions. And the key details on auto upgrade patching capabilities. The key details are the direct MOS download using -mode download. Auto upgrade connects MOS to retrieve necessary patches, saving time and manual effort. Out of place patching. It supports creating a new Oracle home, applying patches, RUs, OJVMs, and moving databases to updated home. Automation. The tool handles complex tasks like updating write-up entries, managing configuration files, and running pre-checks. Versatility. It can be used for both upgrading and patching, including in rack environments. Requirements requires a valid MOS credential, a configuration file, and the latest auto upgrade jar available on MOS note 2485.457.1. Now it is KB article migrated those old MOS note to KB article. This functionality streamlines the patching process to be straightforward as possible. And one more important thing is, did you know Oracle upgrade tool can help to install the Oracle Home? Yes, it is true. The Oracle Auto Upgrade tool, commonly known for automating database upgrades, can needed be used in install a new Oracle Home on both Linux and Windows servers. With recent updates, Auto Upgrade has evolved from just upgrading databases to full stack lifecycle management, including preparing a new empty server for a database by installing the binaries. How Auto Upgrade installs on Oracle Home. Instead of running run installer manually, you can use -mode create -home create an underscore home command to create a target Oracle home based on the parameters in a configuration file. Create a home -mode create underscore home. This command allows you to define the target home, Oracle base edition, and inventory location, and then automatically install the binaries. Patching -patch. Auto upgrade can download patches, RU, OJVM, etc., and create a new patched Oracle home on a brand new server. Usage. It can be used in a create underscore home mode specifically or as part of deploy command to prepare the target home before the actual upgrade. Key benefits for considering that Oracle home installation and unattended installation. It enables automated one-button installation of the Oracle software, reducing manual errors. Out-of-place maintenance. It supports creating a new Oracle home for patching, enabling easier rollbacks. Dynamic patching. In newer version, you can use placeholder in the configuration file by dynamically determine the target Oracle home path. As of the latest update 2025, this functionality works for both single instance and rack, excluding rolling upgrades at the moment.